printable volleyball courts do come with 4 size options so that you can pick whichever one fits closest to your box and then trim it down if needed. You can also, as you can see, do the name in the middle or move the text anywhere you want. You can change the colors, play around. I have this box that opens, and I thought that would be a good one to show you a sample of the largest court. This is 11 by 17. I will have to trim down the sides a little, but not too much. Here it is, all trimmed up and sealed on. I would use hot glue, glue dots, or just tape, because Elmer's glue will, sometimes run through and give that ripply look. Now we're going to want to take our nets, take a scissors, and start cutting. Here it is, all cut out. You could also fold it first and then cut. I realized that as I was cutting, but to each their own. And then we're going to fold it in half, right at the crease, carefully. And seal it together, and then you can trim if you need. Depending on what paper type you use, the 2 of these together might be thick enough to keep it standing on its own, or if you don't want to put it together. But I'm going to put a popsicle stick or dowel rod in there so it's a little more durable on their way to school. Okay, I do a lot of crafts, so I just have a bunch of dowel rods and popsicle sticks laying around. You can get them in the craft aisles for about, $2 to $5 per bag, depending on your size and your quantity. I'm going to go with these ones, and we're going to glue them in for some extra durability. And here those are, all glued on. And we're just going to seal it up. So here's my box. I got my net all ready, put together with some sticks inside. And it does feel like hot glue will probably be enough to keep it up. I'll keep you updated. And here it is on a smaller shoebox. It's a small net. I love it so much. So here it is all done with only hot glue, and it holds very well. Unless your child is taking the bus, I think this would work just fine. But I am going to also try one where I cut an X-Acto knife and push it down a little bit and then add some hot glue just for some extra stability, so I can show you both options. And then here is the net with just the X-Acto knife cuts, and it holds so well. I am going to add a dab of hot glue there just to be safe, but wow, I love it. It feels a lot more stable. So if you can, I would recommend putting your stick into the box if possible. And then I just cut some hearts the old-fashioned way. And I'm going to take some of my hearts and I'm going to crimp them, because I like that it kind of gets rid of this crease in the middle and flattens them a little bit. I only glued the middle to kind of give it this 3D effect. And we're going to go ahead and put them on. I think that on the white box I'm going to do less. This would be a great part for your child to help with. They could just color, you could buy some stickers, cut your own hearts.